Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new. Today I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me. I'm going to be molding my hair and I'm going to be doing some makeup as well. So I did start molding my hair. So honestly, I'm using Nairobi. So it's the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. It's not my favorite mousse because if I had to choose between Nairobi, the Latte Body Coconut, and the Cream of Nature, I can't really choose because they all get the job done pretty much. I must say that with the Nairobi Foaming Lotion, it gives you so much control. It's something to do with the consistency. It doesn't like dissolve super quick. It really, thickens up on your hair and allows you to move the hair around really quickly. Not quickly, but really smoothly. And it holds the hair together while you're doing that. But I don't know why I'm doing all of this. I'm not doing a finger wave video. I'll probably do that in my next video. But I really wanted to do like a little mold that I can just dry and loosen up with my fingers and then just rock it like that without adding any heat. I find that my hair is very thin and very fragile. So I don't want to damage it any further. I feel like I did the most right here. So, I mean, I'll just keep it like that. But this side is not adding up to this side. But I really just wanted to, do a little mold as to where I can just rock it once, the wrap is off and I don't have to style it with a flat iron for it to look decent, So I'm using the Rapid Junior Strips and I got these off of Amazon. Any other products that I'm using, I can definitely link them below for you to purchase if you need, or if you just want to try the products that I'm using, I'll definitely link them below. I like the Rapid Junior Strips because they're a lot skinnier than the Mega Wrap Strips. So you're able to place them where you want to, and you can really build upon them as you lie them down, as you tie them down. I don't know if that makes sense. You can build upon it. So I like that about it. All right, I'm gonna go under the dryer for maybe about 20 minutes because my hair is pretty short. It doesn't take too long to dry. And I'm gonna go cream my skin. I'm really ashy. I just came out the shower and I'll be right back so we can do our makeup and finish our styling process. So it took me about 20 minutes to dry my hair. As you guys can see, I moisturized my skin because I was getting really dry under that dryer. It was no joke. I feel a little bit rushed because I am going to the gym, but I need to film a couple of videos before I leave. So basically I'm getting ready to film another video, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna do a quick makeup look. Usually I do the same look all the time. Lately I've been doing a brown neutral makeup look. I'm gonna start with my foundation. I use the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear in the color 520. To me it's a little bit on the red side, but I still use it because right now it's the closest thing to my complexion in the drugstore makeup price range. So I have a moisturizer. I'm not going to be priming simply because I don't plan on keeping my makeup on for a long time, so it's not necessary. You know what, I'm so silly. I normally use the MAC Pro Longwear foundation in the shade NW25 and that works well with me. But since my friend stopped working there, I usually get the discount. I don't get discounts anymore, so I don't really just shop there and buy regular price items. Okay, so that's pretty much blended in. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do have a birthmark on my neck here. Sometimes I forget that it's there. Whoop. But I posted a video, I don't know, sometime last year, and I was doing my hair and makeup. And somebody came for me and she's like, excuse me. She's just like, you forgot to blend out the piece of makeup on your neck. And I'm like, did I forget to blend? So when I went to go look back, she's talking about this birthmark here. So guys, this is my little birthmark. I love it and it's not makeup. So I was just like, whatever. I told her that it was my birthmark. But I mean, I didn't realize that this could possibly look like, makeup. So for my concealer, I'm using the Age Rewind, Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. I heard so many I heard so many good things about it, so I decided to try it for myself, and I actually like it. I like the tone, obviously, but I really love the applicator. Like, it's really nice and soft, and it's not like dragging on your skin. I'm using the same brush I use for my foundation to blend in my concealer. I mean, I figured that it'll kind of tone down the shade and really blend in my concealer, since it already has like the dark color in it. So mixed with the light color, it'll kind of just blend everything in nicely and it won't look too stark. So that's why I use it. So usually I would use a sponge to blend this in, but I mean, this works just fine. Yeah, so it looks like that. I'm gonna quickly set my under eye using it's a setting powder from Ruby Kiss. It's from the beauty supply store. It's in the shade Banana. And guys, all the brushes I'm using today are from Sani Beauty Cosmetics. Sani Beauty, she's a local. I say local to me. She's from Toronto. So she's a Toronto-based makeup artist. And she also has a YouTube channel here on YouTube. She just released her brush line. Yeah, check out Sani Beauty. She also gave me a coupon code for you guys to use. I'll leave that in the description box below if you are interested in makeup brushes. So I'm just going to contour with this finishing powder. And this is Morphe Filter Effect number 14. I really love this finishing powder. I purchased it online at, you know, when you purchase online, you're like, oh my God, I hope I have the right color. I picked the exact shade that I needed. Like, I really love how it just warms up my cheek, brings back some dimension, and it gives me like a nice contour. So for my eyes, I'm using this Morphe palette. It's their Second Nature palette. The number is 3502. So I just basically just use like these 4 colors here. So these 2, and then I just build up using these 2 brown colors right here. On the lid, I'll do the really dark color right here. So you know the first 2 brown shades I was telling you about? Just dabbling in here. So I'm just working the color up in my crease. I just want to dab it first before I blend it out. And then build up with this color here. And I'm using the same brush. I mean, I think that's okay, right? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for just showing your support, commenting, welcoming me back to the community. Oh God. And I'm literally just packing them on together, but then blending them out at the same time. So I'm just gonna put this color on my lid. All right, so now that that's on my lid, I'm just gonna blend that in so that everything is, you know, integrating well. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes, and the lashes I'm using are from Lash and Stuff. Ooh, I love how these lashes look. They look really natural. Like, they're not your dramatic lashes. They do lashes, body, and brows. And if you're like a lash artist, you can get your supplies from them. So check out Lash and Stuff. And thank you for my lashes. So now I'm just using some blush just to rouge up my cheeks. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me blush. I feel like, did I go crazy on the blush? Kind of. It's okay. I'm just going to use the Morphe Trendsetter lip liner. I always watch Beauty by Bemi. She's a YouTuber from the UK, and she always uses this lip liner here, which is why I bought it. And I love it. But I tried doing my makeup like hers, and I don't know, I don't know if I don't know how to blend, or like, I can't do my makeup like hers. Or maybe I'm just not using the good products. I purchased this Morphe lip gloss. This is in the color Freebird. I feel like that looks so good. This looks good, guys. Do you guys love it? I look so beautiful with my short hair. So pretty. Okay, I'm such a nerd. All right, so I'm just gonna use my setting powder. No, it's not setting powder. It's like it's the mineralized skin finish from MAC, and set everything. I mean, not blend out, but just make sure everything is like unison and pull everything together. I'm actually running out of this. All right, so I'm gonna use some MAC Gold Deposit. I'm gonna put it in my little eye corner here, tear duct, just to brighten up the look a little bit. I'm gonna put it right here. And I like to do this after I do my setting spray because I feel like it just picks up the product a lot better. So now I look nice and glowy. So back to my hair. This is a mold and go, guys. Mold, hooded dryer and go. I'm not putting any flat iron in my hair until maybe after my next relaxer because I'm not trying to add any more damage to it. I'm trying to do a little bit better, guys. When you know better, you do better. So I'm gonna put some moisturizer in it. So I have a few options, not a few, but a couple. So there's this moisturizing butter that I have from Jane Carter. It's more like a cream moisturizing lotion, like that type of texture. Or I can use the argan oil treatment to add sheen. It's an anti-frizz smoothing serum. So I'm just gonna put some of the Jane Carter moisturizing lotion. And I'm just gonna take a little drop of the argan oil treatment and just distribute that throughout my hair. And I said a few products, right? I'm gonna finish it off now with the Give Me Shine Spray Laminate. And this really adds an extra sheen to your hair. I don't really think it moisturizes. I'm sure it doesn't moisturize. It has jojoba seed oil, vitamin E, and UV absorbers. So basically it's a heat protector and it has some natural oil in it. So maybe it'll kind of work as a moisturizer. I was wrong. So honestly, I don't have to do anything to it. I'm going to show you guys the back. Okay. So that's the back. Add some moisturizer. Usually right here is the part that looks funny. But when I get the mirror and I realize what's going on, I just use it. Just break it up. So I hope you guys like my makeup look. Hope you guys enjoy this video, this process. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see from me. Give me some video ideas because I mean, I feel like I've done it all, but you know, there's always more to share that I'm probably not aware of. So just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video and you found it helpful. Feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.